The purpose of this screencast is to introduce you to the navigation structure of Canvas. There are 6 main sections in a Canvas course. The first is the course navigation area. This will appear in every screen. The second is the global navigation area, which is, as it sounds, it is a global feature that contains everything in your Canvas account. The third area is the breadcrumb navigation. This is going to be in a specific course that will take you back step by step to where you've been. The area in the center of the screen will be the content area. On the right hand side you will have the sidebar area, and up in the upper right hand side this will be your help corner and your conversation area. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, on the help area, this is where you're going to set your conversation information up. This is where you're going to set your profile up. Under the settings button, we'll bring a new screen up. On the left hand side you will have a different set of buttons. The home button will take you back to the home page. The profile button will allow you to see your profile. If you need to edit your profile, you will click the edit button. You can put in ways to contact, a little bit about your biography, and any links you would like to share. The notifications area allows you to determine how you want to receive notifications from the course. As you can see, you've got course activities, discussions, communications, things like this. You have several different ways to get this information to you from Canvas. Course activities, you've got email, cell numbers, and a Twitter account or any other social media that you have set up. Under each category, for due date, you will come under email, and you can set it up to notify right away, send summaries daily, or send summaries weekly, or not at all. You can do that with any of the ways that you have set up to communicate with you and to notify you. Just scroll down, and in each section do what you want. Notify right away, daily summary, weekly summary, or not at all. This is a good way to keep up with, especially if you've got people who are scheduling appointments with you, if you're in a discussion, if you've got things that need to be graded, if you've got alerts from the administration. You can use this. Set this up at the beginning when you start getting into your course. That way everything's set up and good to go. Files, you are allowed to have 50 megs of individual private files in your Canvas account. This can be profile images, this can be resume, this can be PowerPoint presentations that you can access anytime through the web. The way you can put contact or your content information up here is either by adding files, by uploading a zip folder, and it will then export it to that particular folder, or you can use drag and drop methods to put this into the information and into the folder. Back to the settings, which is where we started. On the right hand side you can see you've got a place, ways to contact. You can add additional emails, you can add additional contact methods, you can have cell phones, multiple cell phones. If you click on edit settings, you will then be able to go in, change your name, change your language, what your time zone is, and then use web services, which web services you would like to be able to get notifications on. Things like Twitter and Facebook, that is going to come as a private message. It's not going to come out as a message for everybody that can see it. The Eportfolio is a place where you can create an ePortfolio. You can have your resume there, you can have different presentations you've made, conferences you've been to, information that you can then share with anybody that needs to. We'll go into creating an ePortfolio in another video. The last thing we want to look at is the inbox. The inbox is your communication center. As you can see, you've got a place to look at any messages you have. You can create new messages. You've got to be careful here because when you create who you're sending this to, this is similar to your email, but as you start putting in names or something, it will create and pop a pop-up list. In the pop-up list, I can go to whoever's in this creating a social media network. If I click on it, it's going to send it to everybody in that group. If I want to send it to the teacher, I can simply click it in and add the teacher, and there it is. So you want to be very careful with that. You can then come back and clear that, because if you're not careful, you may send stuff to the wrong person. Messages, you can type your message in, you can attach a file, or you can record a file. When you record your message, it can be a video or an audio. All of your messages will show up over here. So they will have an archive of all communications you have with students, teachers, and parents if they are having access to your course. The logout button allows you to log out of Canvas. The help button will bring up a pop-up window which will give you the ability to search guides, report a problem, or request a feature. Very simple, straightforward, nothing fancy there.